Now we will perform the experiment how to determine the regulation by synchronous impedance method. Okay, determination of regulation by synchronous impedance method. This is our alternator and this is a DC motor. So the motor will be supplied, a DC supply will be connected to the motor, and then by this coupling the alternator will be moved and its voltage and characteristic will be measured by this. Okay, so we need the measuring instrument, a 5 ampere ammeter, a 600 voltmeter and a 2 ampere DC ammeter. Okay, now Shivasda will be connect the circuit. This connection you can got by the manual circuit connection, and there is written, every point is marked, so the connection is not critical, so you can connect this circuit from the manual circuit diagram. Okay, circuit connection is going on. Now supply is on. So now you have to increase the voltage by starter. Supply, now the supply is on and the voltage will be increased by starter, and DC motor is starting to move, and from this coupling the alternator is also moving. You have to measure the speed by this tachometer. That is, now by varying from the variac, from the rheostat, you have to maintain its rated speed. That is written here. The rated speed is 1500 rpm. Now the field supply is on to this alternator, and field current will be gradually increased. You have to copy the reading, its field current and its output voltage. Okay. So field current is gradually increasing. This is alternator. Field is energized, so output voltage is
rated voltage.
so this is rated voltage. Okay, this is rated voltage, and you have to copy the results. This is the open circuit test of this by regulation by synchronous impedance, and now we will perform the short circuit test. Okay, the variac will be at its zero position, and R and Y port will be shorted by an ammeter, and B and Y also will be shorted. Now the field is energized. Field is also energized, and you have to increase the field current. By this, the increasing of alternator output short circuit current will be measured by this ammeter. AC ammeter. Okay, this is short circuit current, and you have to apply up to 4.5 ampere. Okay, this will be the results, and you have to copy the results. So now it will be switched off. At first field variac will be at its zero position. Output will be switched off, and motor supply will be switched off. Starter will be at its zero position. Okay, thank you.